What is up, travelers? If you are flying out of Tokyo's Narita Airport, you cannot miss the ANA Lounge near Gate 52 in Terminal 1. Seriously, this place is a total game changer for your layover. First off, getting in is easier than you think. Whether you're flying business class, hold Star Alliance Gold, or even just rocking a priority pass, you can access this massive space. Once you step off the escalator, you're greeted by wall-to-wall windows with insane tarmac views of those massive 777s and Dreamliners. But let's talk about the real reason we're here, the food. Forget stale pretzels. This lounge has a hidden, made-to-order Noodle Bar. You just walk up, place your order, and they hand you a buzzer. You have to try the udon and their legendary Japanese curry. It is absolutely top-tier airport food. Need a drink? This is where it gets crazy. They have automatic beer machines. You just put your chilled glass on the tray, press a button, and watch it pour a mathematically perfect pint of Asahi or Kirin. There's also an entire self-serve sake station featuring premium Japanese pours. Now, here is my ultimate pro traveler tip. The second you walk in, go straight to the digital kiosk and book a shower room. There are only about 10 suites, and the wait time can easily hit 2 hours. Book it early, feast on some curry, and by the time you're done, you'll be ready to wash off that travel grime in a pristine, spa-like shower. Drop a like if this helped you out, and subscribe for more elite travel hacks from around the world. See you in the next one.